Hey guys, it's Jasmine Ellis Cooper, and welcome to my home in Hoboken. This building used to be a paper factory, but now it's my one-bedroom loft that I do a lot of DIY projects to make things my own. So we've lived here for about a year, and when I was putting the home together, I'm really enjoying being in my designer girl era, so figuring out what the style looks like for me. And we also just had a newborn, so you'll see a lot of mature adult artsy things, but with the twist of a newborn just being here. So you've heard about the kitchen being a chef's dream, but this kitchen is a snacker's dream. So originally this kitchen was a bit dark, and so I really wanted to make it airy and light. So I added this beautiful marble-esque contact paper and flowers. It really doesn't have to cost a lot to really make things your own. So the ceilings are actually 14 feet high, so I really wanted to play with the height by adding this greenery, which is the perfect touch. Because this is a spacious loft, we had the space to add a breakfast nook. So I went with a round table to save space, and as you'll see throughout the home, green is my favorite color. And so I went with these really fun artsy plates and tried to balance between masculine and feminine for us. So my husband's Liberian. In the top photo, you have the Liberian flag. I'm a huge Gordon Parks fan, and we both are kind of obsessed with the lives of Thurgood Marshall. If you know, you know. I love this space because of the exposed brick mixed with the light, and it's an open concept, so what more could you ask for? And I am a DIY girl, and this coffee table was originally white, but I put cement on it to give it a spin. And if you really want to be impressed, this picture molding, I did that. I really try to incorporate green whenever I can, from the pillows to the artwork to even the chairs right over here for socializing. My favorite part about the bar cart is this stack of vinyl records because I'm such a vintage girly, and I'm still looking for a vinyl record player, but for the meantime, this will do. So next we have the bedroom, but before that, we have this curio cabinet of my favorite things. From my Super 8 being a huge movie lover to the gavel from my husband when he was in undergrad, and the many books that we bonded over while dating. So when I found that I was pregnant, our bedroom had to become a bedroom and a nursery. Luckily, we have space for both. My absolute favorite part of the bedroom is this mural. I think one of the main reasons why I love green so much is because it makes me feel inspired and grounded and energized, and I wanted our son to feel the same way. Outside of being a reality personality, I write a lot, and a lot of times I get burnt out from creating. And so what better way to come take a nap than a hotel-inspired king-size bed? But of course, me being me, it always has to have a little bit of green in it. So I did that with this seafoam throw and these deep green plush accent pillows. A nightstand was needed because I'm always reading a book or going over notes for my script. But sometimes you just want to look at yourself and just say life is good. So of course I needed mirrors. As a military family, filmmakers, and reality personalities, life can get pretty hectic. And home for us means a place that you can come home and always be grounded. Thanks for stopping by.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.